Hello, this is Alicia from Quick and Delish. I'm a registered dietitian and chef, and I wanted to tell you my perspective or share my perspective on what meal planning does for me. So, so I don't do this like cook a million things in one weekend and then run out of steam and then don't meal plan again for a couple months. So I do this sustainable meal planning where I have a kitchen inventory that makes it so that I can cook simple meals quickly. And I build up you know, some meals in my freezer so that I can just reheat when I need to and then add some veggies or whatever. Sometimes I make complete meals, but not all the time. So it my meal planning system isn't about, you know, anything extreme. My middle name is re like reality based, and like how I can maximize a little bit of time in the kitchen, so I don't have to spend a ton of time. Like yesterday, for example, I actually made chicken stock because the night before I roasted a chicken. So I don't do that very often. I'm cool with buying store-bought chicken stock if I need it, or I just add more onions, garlic, and spices and flavors to make it so I could use water, which I think is pretty empowering. So avoiding the making chicken stock by adding more flavors. Anyway, so what I wanted to share with you right now is the main reason why I really think meal planning is a way to go to maintain a healthy lifestyle is for time management. For real. Like if you plan ahead for your future self more often, what you want to eat, and strategize that and implement it, you will save time, anguish, the whole feeling of being hangry, and whatever fights you might have, potential future fights you might have, may not even happen if you do planning ahead. I also really think that you'll save time and money in the doctor's office and anguish related to that kind of stuff if you do meal planning because you'll be prepared. So, one of the main reasons why I prioritize meal planning for the time management piece is because I'm low vision or legally blind. And so I literally spend more time finding things or looking at things and taking pictures of something so I could read the text. And so I'm like, okay, so if I have time spent looking and reading and seeing that's extended more than other people, I need to figure out how to cut off, like shorten time elsewhere. And so that's just one specific example that resonates with me. And so I encourage you this week to think about clarifying how using time management as the reason to meal plan. Today is my first video of encouraging you to figure out your why of meal planning. So the next 4 days, I will inspire, plant seeds on how you can gradually create your meal planning system. And then I'm going to invite you every day this week to join me in my next meal planning session, September 17th or 18th from 12 to 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take care. And for now, this is goodbye for now. I'll see you next time. And this is Alicia from Quick and Delish signing out. Let's save some time because you are your best investment. Toodaloo.